Hey guys, how are you? If you are new on my YouTube channel Techno Guy, then please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. So basically in this video I am going to tell you that what is prom price prediction or what is prom. So let's start our video. So here's it capital.com prom price prediction, what is prom. So we are now moving further here. So you see it. What is PROM? It is a marketplace and it is also a crypto token. Let's see what we can find out and take a look at some of the PROM price prediction that were being made as of 15th September 2022. So PROM explained. So here's it. One of the hottest concepts in the world of both cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology as a whole in 2021 was that of the metaverse. This idea of a virtual world where people could interact and trade with each other is a long-standing, having its origins in the virtual reality craze of the early 1990s. Indeed, the online game Second Life, which was highly popular in the 2000s, was a metaverse. However, the concept has gained a new lease of life thanks to the blockchain. With the new technology proving to be a success, organizations moved their online world onto it, both giving blockchain enthusiasts who had never been involved in the metaverse a chance to sample it, while also allowing metaverse fans and other online gamers the opportunity to find out just what it is that the blockchain has to offer people. And the thing that ultimately boosted blockchain metaverse gaming was non-fungible tokens (NFTs). Let's explain what these are. If an item is fungible, this means that it can easily be replaced by something identical. A 20-pound note is a good example of this. If you lend one to a friend, you won't notice if you are given a different 20 pound note back. So here's it. Non-fungible assets are the exact position opposite. Imagine a number one trainer Pokemon card, one of the rarest in the game's existence, with just seven believed to be in circulation. It may look like a normal card from a distance, but it has distinctive qualities that make it different from all the others. If you lent that card to a friend and got a different one back, you would be understandably upset. NFTs bring this rarity and scarcity to the blockchain. They allowed digitized versions of collectibles to be created. Basically, NFTs came in the form of links to individual digital images. Technically speaking, it is a link rather than the image that people have the rights to. That said, there is some misunderstanding and ambiguity about both the nature of NFTs and their place in the world of cryptocurrency. This ambiguity is not helped by the concept of the NFT coins. These cryptocurrencies, many of which are technically speaking tokens rather than coins, are designed to be linked to the marketplace where particular collections of NFTs are sold. So here's yet, and this also ties in with the notion of play to earn P2E. So here's here. Basically, a P2E game is something that involves people collecting NFTs as reward for certain actions carried out within the game. Because NFTs can be sold and traded outside of the game in question, this means that people can, at least in theory, make money from playing a game. It goes without saying that how much money anyone can make through NFT related gaming is something of a moot point, but it is there. Anyway, seeing as NFT have proven to be a born to metaverse technology as well as potential source of money for both developers and collectors, it is perhaps inevitable that there would be plenty of places that aim to specialize in gaming NFTs. Prom is one such gaming NFT marketplace founded in 2019. It aimed to make Web3 gaming accessible and enjoyable experience for everyone. People can rent gaming assets without collateral, purchase NFTs in monthly installments, and trade and manage NFTs across different games. It has its own cryptocurrency, also called PROM, although the organization seem rather reticent about how the token is used. The PROM crypto is based on the Ethereum blockchain, which means that it is a token, not a coin. As you might see references to such things as a Pyrom coin price prediction, but these are wrong. It is also important not to confuse the Pyrom crypto with the Prometeus crypto, which also uses the Pyrom ticker. So here's it. There are no founders of Pyrom listed on its website. Here's it basically. Prom price history. So basically, let's now take a quick look of here's it. Prom price history basically. So I'm now moving further here. Yes, I am coming here. So basically, I am moving back. So here's it. Let's now take a quick look at the Prom price history. While past performance should never be taken as an indicator of future results, knowing how the token has behaved in the past can give us some much needed context if we want to either interpret a Prom price prediction to or make one of our own. Prom first came out in 2019, opening on 17 July that year at $0.3672. It broke through the dollar barrier in early 2020 and hovered around this level until it got caught up in a bull phase of the crypto market at the start of 2021 and climbed to a high of $26.11 on February that year. So, said while it fell back down after this resurgence saw it hit an all-time high of $106.12 on 30 April 2021. The token then dropped and spent most of the rest of the year between $10 and 20 with the occasional rise above including $34.37 on 3 September 2021. Basically, this is all about the prom. So if you like my video, then please subscribe it and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.